Mas kau mana kan ke mau lagi tu kai puri beuna me ke ton. Aro man ma besi kai nga. Para ni bagi hen nga ya hon ni ko ke ton ni na to. Mas kai na muri ko to be ma ka to mai kia. O ko ke ko ni ka ni na to nga ya ko ni. Kalau mau ini aku ni ke awal dia berjaya. Suatu macam ikon kai puri beuna me ke ton. Si fua patongia ko fa lo tu ma ba i nga sia si kai ma ko kai ke ma ka i ha me o se ma ko ma ba be ma wo e fi pa la ni ko fa si ho ko ina sia si tu na mai ki o ki to ko mo ke te ia patongia ko fua sia si ka ma na sia no fa tan mai ma lo ngau ko be ke tau mani ni mai ai mo no ta ko Setunga tamai koi e fua patongia. Kai ma e ma dua sein ko si fua patongia. Pe popo wa se fa na o na ya ko. Uma kau I fi no toa o ke a fi o na lo. Se ma fa na o ko ka o ni sa ti. Ma wa to fa malo e na o. Ke tu bui ka ting na tol na ma o wa la ko kolo. Ka ting ma tol ka kolo ko. Uma si kau tau fa na na me mai me ngai funga wa ke he ka ma wa ka to ngia koi o ke a fio so na ro to na ya koi nga ngo ni ko nga to ka ta me ngo nga ta ke nga wa ki na ya koi o ke a fio so na ro to na ya koi ma lu ma be ek se ma tu si ta lo tu ka ma ek se ma tu si o ma na ko ka to ngia ko fa lo tu na ya koi pe bi na ka to ka ma ro ko ta ya to ma si kai na ka to na me mai a ko ni ma la ko kolo ma mo du ia a ko ma ka to mai a ko ni ko ki ka mo ni ka te ma to pe ma ka la ni ngi ko ti ai I ba sa a ko no ta wo ku lu a ko ni ma tu ko tu be ke a ko kai ke a ka te tu ma lu ma ma ko ni ka wa ke lo tu ke fa ya lo tu a fa la ni ngi a ko ni so o ke tu lo pe tu bu a ai ifi oi ni o si fai hiwa e o ke tokoni o ke te e ngai a ko ni ma wa I mo ma lo o wa se ta fa na o ke tokoni ni na to ni wa ti solo ko mula tu ri na ta u ngi ma la ko lo ma ya e ga fi ma ko ha ni ngai fa dong ia ko to be tu be me ko to e fai ni ke ne fai e ngai o wa ya ko ni o wa ko no fai ko ni ma to ko tu wa ni yo ya te ko e ko be te ya mai ko ni ma to ko man ma fi ma lu ka ke ka la ngi a ko ni e ko me ma wi ngai ka te ma to ko ya ko ni yo wa ya fi mai a ko no ang ko nge mo no ngai fa tong ia ka ke no ka lu yo na ma ko ka to na me ko to ka ko ha ko mo ka mo amen
le hamaua.
Monia.
Iko i kuna ui kuna ai. Whakatapu ki hotua, whakatau whakamoui, whakatau whakatupu, whakatapu ki hau eki, whakatapu ki hamataa pule. Kapua ka hau eki whai whikau. Whikau e pāhenga, whikau i veni, tōmu pilo, whikau ahi latu whasāpate, e hiapnan sen, whakatapu ki whai whikau, siasi o tonga, Sandila Lamalo. Whakatapot ke te koe Anna Jones. Whakatapot ke te koe Andrew Leach, Bronwyn Leach. Tapot ke te Motonga, Tau Mātua, Solomon Molangi. Whakatapot toke whakatapma kehe, i whanau i whi, Palasa, Fulunta, Pārimi. Ki tau tonga no katoa au tau whakatahataha mai he whiawhi whaka whawha koe ni. Tā pata motou, ka tāmai motua koe ni. Ne whaiha rea tari mā ki motou. Koe uhi, koe kātoanga, whia, koe e whiawhini. Whamore maure pē. Ne teu e rea aia ke minite o mawhulu e rea ka te whakanonau au bitu ka tō mui pe tau kolowala mai. Ai e turi kia. What I've just said has just paid my respects to the Almighty Father, just pay my respects to all our guests, and that includes you, Andrew, and also Bronwyn Leach from ABI Music. We are privileged and honoured to have you both and all of you here, and we hope that you have an enjoyable night as we celebrate the 20th anniversary of the Iguna Youth Brass Band. Ka more pe. Atua ki o ngoma no ke uhinga o e whiawhini. Koe ka ua noa ai e whakatuku ai kolopo koe ni, ai ane whakatuku i e taha hiwa whitu. Ka more nge Roderick, e nomi e nge koe i tātaki. Ai e koe tāwani mō me amai ki ai, koe kamata ai o e whi i taha hiwa whitu. Ne whakatātaha ai ngahi mātua o e siasi, o nau talatala noa ki ha mea e lawai, ki whakamoua ke e taimi e whanau ki ha mea ulelei, e kamata ki a mea koe ni o e whakatua a iwi palasa. O iwi koe ni, e taimi koe ni na e se ai a iki maka, e kau poki ai, e ngahi me mipa e kau miti, kau rea Simeone, e he poki ki a Anna Jones koe ni si lava mai me se ne Australia, i kau mafi e fia mo ki tau tauhi a han. Muka ta kai ma pasi ki re. Kau au koe ni rāpa. Ko fia pe e fo i koe e tau timi, na pauna e maalohi, ko teu ke hatahai ai heni koi. Ka koe musik lava mai, koe koloha mau unai te ki mau tau. A koe kalamata te mau kolopu. So we started, Andrew and Bronwyn, and for everyone that are non-English, as something to keep our youth busy. On a Friday night, on a Saturday night, a Sunday night, and they saw that there was a lot of talent in the church. A lot of talent, but we had no resources. Ke ka me aifi, me pati na kamata ke tā me area, ke hiki me tā me area, o mawa ne palasa, ke hiki me palasa, mao mai fuluta, tau kohosi, na e katoa ngahi e tau konga fuluta, te koini, tau wakoen, ke whaaringi, we now have strings, ke tau ilo toi pene whaaresi ki au ke kau whiwhi. A koe, whakalakalaka o e whi, mai kuhinga e pōni, kau whanonga hono katoa, kau tui, o kau i e tunga lelei, I am in a good position, ki whakamatau atu, ai whaingataa, ai puke, ai ki kulupuni. Ne au e tunga na mautoi tako whito ke kau palasa. whakawhetangi he iki i ahoni mo sio mai ke whai mea mana e iki te mahulu haka. Mo paspasi me ta whanau kata. Koe whainga Māori e konika taki pe Simeone. Simeone ka taki ke mea hake. Ka more pe kau whanongo. Ko wero wero ka mai eni. Ka nau sio tono. I hono o mai. Mono puke mai ai pulupu koe ni. Ne hanga he toko taha koe ni. Pe mai mātu e tawhatawhaki o pou. Taimi koe nege kia ha mea whakapanga i whi na wilo pe na e mōmu ange ki he kukai ki au ana i kawenga o i whi ana kum hamai hama ko i maa mātou ke kai. Koi ai e Simeone e kata pe mo ana turns me hake. O kore kata ki kau tangata rona na mō i e kamata koe ni o i whi mō me hake o runga taimi. Corini, Augustino, Fesio Kini. Muna. Wātahahena. Me kau tangata me kau whewhine. Nana puke mai tau māwe, i kamata. Me koeni, wawe o se tau e wanoa, o whalahe mone e ki, ke i mau e whainga Māori e mo e koe. Ko paspasi mai ka tōku. Alo o pita. Ke ta hopo tō me? O si ke tātu e, ka taki. Koe, uanoa taha whitu e ke maulaka he muki kua osi, i one hanga. Nā e whai e te pōpuaki ko tau kakai, ke na oa ke tau kau ngālaka, ka wiro mahalo e katoa me polisi a New Zealand i a laka wini. So that was our Santa Parade last week over at Onehunga. And we were thinking of inviting our Tongan friends to come along, but we were afraid there was going to be more police there than needed. So we're going to get started. Well, next, this is Aniu's Day. Koe mau kamataini, tuka te whakawhetangi e ki, a ke hiwa koe ni. Kau solo, so saia teisi lora tawake, ki nau whilumo e hawa. Mea marewa ki ai. It's going to be a great celebration. Please, one more round of applause for our soloists. At this opportunity, we're going to move on to our strings. Our tutor is Mei Fong. We are very fortunate to have Mei Fong join us. She is a very experienced teacher. At this opportunity, Mei Fong, all up to you. Thank you.
I have had the pleasure again of teaching the Ikuna strings this year and working with Salome and also having really good help with Laura and other leaders in the strings. It's always a pleasure. I love the kids here. They're just warm, they're friendly and they're so passionate. So I'm really fortunate about it. And tonight you're going to hear a range. Some of course who played for 3 years, some who played for 3 weeks. But, you know, she wants to have an opportunity. She deserves an opportunity, so Marty's going to play. And Jimmy, what I like about teaching about e kuna is it stretches me as a teacher. So, you know, for example, last year, when I started with Jimmy, who's 5 now, I had a 4-year-old, a 5-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a 7-year-old for 25 minutes all together at the same. So I had to learn a lot about managing all of those different age groups. But as you're going to hear, Jimmy's progressed a lot since last year, and Mighty's made a really good start. So here we go. They're going to play Down Up first, and then Jimmy will introduce his 2 solo pieces.
My name is Simona, and a piece of mine is Orkanda Chikavok and Tukutuku.
And now we have a special guest artist. The parents don't know about this yet, but we had a little practice in the green room, and I thought it was so impressive that they're doing this together. And I'm sure actually, Jimmy Simeone, you can say the piece. Thank you, Simeone. That was great, a great testament because that is multitasking, and 5-year-olds usually multitasking is very hard. Right, we're going to have next, our next group, La'a and Co. Can you come up, please? And this is Zi'i, Manu, La'a, and Ilene. And they are going to be playing City Light, So There, Claire's Song, and Ready, Steady, Go Now.
One, two. 1, 2. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Michael will be introducing them.
Hi, my name is Maka. This is Dawn. This is Charity, and this is Mary. And the three pieces we're going to play is Gypsy Dance, Finale, and our next piece for today is Jingle Bells. Hope you enjoy.
One, two, 1, 2.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
unfortunately, the Tully family have had homework centre most of this year, so I haven't seen them very much. But I'm so proud that they've got something ready for this, so Taila is going to come and introduce it.
Malolele, we have the Tully family, Lasini, Devita, and Andrea. And we will be playing Merrily Dance the Quaker's Way.
And now we have our last group, and Lisa will introduce them.
Those of our members. First we have Anofino, we have Italy Daisy, Bo and Roland Tabake, Saya Daisy, and myself, Peter Dudipo. We'll be playing 3 pieces today. The first piece is Lager, the second piece is Habanero, and the last piece we're going to play is Requiem. Thanks.
Sorry, just the first piece is Habanero.
One, two, three, four.
Kata kemudian pas-pas main kita bawa lagi. At this opportunity, we will now move on to prize giving for the violins. Kore atu komore kia te koe whawhekau I veni tombilo, e rataki whoa ke ngahi pare koe ni, a ipu koe ni, a kau whuta kataki. So feel free, May Fong, to interfere. We're going to start the prize giving for the violins. We have our whaiwhekau that's going to present them. So we're going to start off with Top Junior. Okay, Top Junior. Goes to Betsy Lee Daisy. Top Senior. This goes to Laura Dabake. Laura. Most improved string player for 2017, Whakasieke Whimoihala. And finally, the best overall player for 2017, Sosaya Hafoka Daisy. Malo kuta whawhekau, ne lawa e whake tau pare, malo pito. At this opportunity, we would like to acknowledge you, May Fong. Thank you very much for all the hard work. Thank you for being part of our team. And we hope for a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And hopefully you could be able to teach us again next year. So from behalf of Tikuna Youth Strings, thank you so much. Malo biko mo fefeha ke kainga. Oe tonga na mo mako na whangi polo na te ke tawa ke tālahi.
I'm sorry, Vinny, I just forgot also the people behind the scenes. I just want to thank them too. And they've already gone behind the scenes. Salome and Laura, thank you so much for all your behind the scenes work. And also, of course, Billy and Simeone and Saini, and just this room looks amazing, and the organisation of the school, the visualisation you put into it is just amazing. What has come, it's amazing. So congratulations.
Thank you. Sai whanga maare wani, kua te ki tuaki ko ni ko te te kon he pōni. More Agustino mea hake, la kau hen po hoa, ko ki nau anu na whai e te tewe whare ni whakawha ofa a pita. Le ka whaha mo kātoanga kwa me mai, uwenu taki mai te ke tō taha koe ni. Le veru e tau DJ, ka tō pura ka pito DJ ka tak omina, ka tau whasi kwa whangu kwa tau kāinga. Ka tāre ka ko strings, feel free, put your violin away, sit in the audience, we'll have the flutes there next. Thank you so much. Mahalo pito.